Today is our second class, matter in our surrounding. We will discuss the different topics. The topic is change of states of matter. What is the change of states of matter? We will discuss about with the states factors with the factors. Now we will discuss when solid melting to form the liquid, and when liquid freezes to make a solid. For example, when water kept in the freeze, then it formed by the freezing into the solid form. This is called the freezing. When the liquid change into the solid is called the freezing process. When the solid change into the liquid is called melting process. The process in which the solid change into the liquid is called melting. The process in which the liquid change into the solid is called freezing. Then liquid change into the gas. What is the boiling? The process in which liquid change into the gas is called boiling, and the condensation where gas change into the liquid is called condensation. The next topic is when gas convert into the solid without making the liquid is called sublimation process. When gas change into the solid is called sublimation. When solid change into the gas is called solidification. Now we will discuss the factors affecting the change of states of matter. What is the factor who affect the change of states of matter? The first factor is melting, the second factor is freezing, and third factor is boiling, and fourth factor is condensation, and fifth factor is sublimation, and sixth factor is solidification, and seventh factor is evaporation. Now we will discuss one by one the factors. The first factor is melting. What is the melting? The process in which the solid change into the liquid is called melting. For example, when ice kept freely, then freezes into ice melt into the liquid. It is the best example of melting. The second is freezing. When liquid change into the solid form is called freezing. Next is boiling. What is the boiling? When liquid change into the gaseous form is called boiling. The next process is condensation. When the gas change into the liquid is called condensation process. The fifth factors which affect the change of states of matter is sublimation. What is the sublimation? The sublimation is the process in which the gas change into the liquid without making a liquid. It is called sublimation process. The next is solidification. When the gas change directly into the solid is called solidification. The last topic is evaporation. Now we will discuss the evaporation. Okay. Now we will define the factors who affect the change of the states of matter. The first factor is melting. What is the melting? The process in which the solid changes into the liquid is called melting. It is also called the fusion process. When the solid changes into the liquid, this process is known as melting. For example, when ice melts into the water, it is the best example of melting points, meltings. The second factor is freezing, the process in which converting of liquid into the solid. Those type of process in which the liquid change into the solid is called freezing. For example, when we kept the water into the ice, kept water into the freezer, then it freezes to form the ice. That means liquid change into the solid form. It is called freezing. The third factor is most important factor, the boiling. What is the boiling? The boiling is the process in which the converting of liquid vapor completely is called boiling. it is the gaseous form. When the liquid change into the vapor is called boiling point. The next factor is condensation, who will affect the change of the states of matter. What is the condensation? The process of converting of gas or vapors into the liquid is called condensation. For example, you have seen many times the water vapor get condensed on the surface of glass containing the chilled water. You have already seen many times water vapor condensed on the surface of the glass slab and containing the chilled water. This process is known as condensation. The next factor who affect the change of the states of matter, the sublimation. The sublimation is the process in which the solid direct change into the vapor without changing into the liquid states. For example, the camphor. What is the camphor? The camphor is known as kapoor. Kapoor, when burned in presence of fire, then it change into the gaseous form without converting into the liquid form. This is called sublimation process. The next factor is solidification, who affect the change of states of matter. What is the solidification? The process of converting of gas or liquid into the solid is called solidification. For example, when the iodine vapors on cooling to form the iodine solid, that means it is the process of solidification where vapor change into the solid form. The next factor is very important factor. We have seen many times in our daily life. Evaporation is a factor. What is the evaporation? When it is a process in which liquid changes into the vapors is called evaporation. For example, when dry cloth is wet in the presence of sunlight, then water change into the gaseous form. It is called the evaporation method. Okay. The next topic is diffusion. What is diffusion? So diffusion is a process in which the intermixing of particles of any different matter on its own is called diffusion. So diffusion is the process in which particles of different matter is mixed together to form the diffusion process. The rate of diffusion process increases on increasing of diffusing surfaces. Now we will discuss the factors who affect the diffusion process. What is the factor? The factor is density and temperature and physical state. These are the three factors to affect the Now we will discuss the factor affecting the rate of diffusion. What is the factor affecting the rate of diffusion? The first factor is density. What is the effect on the rate of diffusion of density? The rate of diffusion is mainly depends upon the density of liquid. Higher the density, lesser will be the rate of diffusion. Any matter has a higher the density, then rate of diffusion will be lesser. The next factor is who affect the rate of diffusion is physical state. The solid can diffuse into the liquid. When solid diffuses into the liquid slowly, whereas liquid can diffuse into the liquid is faster, and gases can also diffuse into the liquid. It is the very important factors who affect the rate of diffusion. In physical states, the solid can diffuse into the liquid slowly, whereas liquid can diffuse into the liquid faster, and gases can also diffuse into the liquid is possible. The next topic is who affect the rate of diffusion. Diffusion is temperature. Now we will discuss about the temperature in the next classes. अभी जो है हम लोग अगले क्लास में इसके सारे टॉपिक्स या इसके आगे के हम लोग बारे में जानेंगे. इसके सारे पीडीएफ जो है आपको प्रोवाइड करा दिए जाएंगे. आशा करते हैं कि यहाँ तक आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा और फिर हम लोग अगले क्लास में मिलते हैं. थैंक यू.